Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys the new Cosmetics Mascara kit. It comes with 3 different ones, and look how cute this box is, and these open up. And then it gives you detailed instructions on the back. So I've been using these for a couple of days, and I do have my favorite. But I'm gonna show you 2, and then I'm gonna go and do my makeup, and I'm gonna show you my favorite. So this one is called Superhero. Okay, but this one I feel like it gives you like a rock star look. And this is the one. I love the brush of it. And do something like this. Keep any mascara mistakes at the end. So here we go. There's nothing in my eyes. And these mascaras, they are long lasting till you take them off. See the difference? Now you let it dry and then go in with a second coat of it. It looks really amazing. And this one right here is Hello Lash. Now this one I'm not too fond of, but I like the little round ball that it has on the tip, so you can really get into the corners and really like wing out the ends as well. This one is Hello Lash. It's really nice. I like the superhero. I like the rock star look that it gives. Okay, so I'm gonna come back with my makeup done, and then I'm going to do the last one. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so I am back, and we're gonna do Blowout, which is my favorite one. And I also love the brush on this one as well. I love how it separates the lashes. It gives them a good lift. Okay. And we're gonna mix this one with Superhero, because I love the little rock star look it gives, and we're gonna do this one as well. All right, that is our finished look. I hope you guys like the mascaras and go and get one out for you and your friends. It's an awesome kit to have. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.